Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to see how to get bitcoins for free. So in this video we are just going to see we get bitcoins for free from Faucet's website. Let me tell you what is a Faucet website. In basically Faucet website, the website where we can go and give them a traffic in exchange. They will give us a bitcoin, a few bitcoin. It takes time to get withdrawable bitcoins, but in a bit of time you will get enough bitcoin balance there, and you can transfer them to your account. So here it is a definition of bitcoin faucets. Bitcoin faucets are the sites Bitcoin faucets are the sites that every few minutes dispense a small amount of bitcoin for free. As these sites are basically giving away free money, they have become extremely popular, and this post will cover the most popular and profitable faucets around. So let me show you which is the most popular faucets around. There are many faucets, but that one that I like the most is Cointiply. Here you can see a bitcoin price currently $60,570. Now let me go to my favorite website, cointiply.com. Let me go to search here, Cointiply. Here it is available on Google Play Store too, but we are going on its website. Let me click here. It's opening. Here what it looks like. First of all, you have to do a sign in or log in. If you already account, then you can log in, and if you don't have account, then you can do sign up. You have to do sign up. It's pretty easy. You just have to give them email address, and they will check if you are logged in or you are new to the website. If you are new, then they will ask for your name and choose a password and just a captcha. So here what it looks like. Here it is dashboard. Welcome Vedic Pandya. Learn how to start earning coins with Cointiply. It is very easy. You can just use these following options. Let me go to earn coins, and here are the ways that you can earn coins. These are the way which you can earn coins. Let me go to the roll faucet. You can do that. You don't need a guidance or something like that. You can do it on your own. Here it is showing that claim again in, and it is giving a timer. I just did it now. I can do it again in 10 hours. I got about 10 coins, which is around 0.000000002 BTC. It's very easy. You can even get up to 100,000 coins. Let me go to another option, view PTC ads. You can earn by watching PTC ads. Here it is, earn $1 in 5 seconds. These are the another ways. The third, play the multiplayer, play games, refer users, redeem promo code, and you can earn bitcoins by about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 ways. You can earn bitcoins from 12 ways, 10 ways only. Let me take, you can earn bitcoins using 10 ways. It is very simple. You just have to fill it, but the all thing that you need is just a patience. You need patience to earn this, and you can transfer it whenever you get about $300,000 coins. Whenever you get complete 300,000 coins, you are able to redeem that. Let me try to do payments. Let me click on deposit bitcoins. Here it is, deposit bitcoins. You just have to give your bitcoin deposit address and generate deposit address, and if you want to just deposit a limited Bitcoin, then you can do here how much Bitcoin would you like to deposit. You can do it on yourself, and there are some guidelines here, or how does it work is given here. You can check it out. It is simple, and if you don't have a Bitcoin account, then go to blockchain.com and create your account for free. You can go to blockchain.com, this one, to create Bitcoin account. Let me try if I can show you something else. Here you can see that user voter just earned 24 coins from Cointiply. This is a timeline, I think. Here there are another things that you can see that here. Exclusive sign up. If you sign up here, then you will get 1000 coins. If you do survey here, then you can get about 6125 coins. These are the featured offers given here. So this is for the video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.